Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here with another video on how to install Kali Linux in VMware. So now we need to download two things. Uh, one is 7-zip and the other one is Kali Linux. So let's fire the browser. Now simply search Kali Linux. Open this one, the very first link, download. Now click virtual machines because we are going to run the Kali Linux on a virtual machine, which is VMware in our case, and 64-bit. Save. It's about 2.5 GB. It's gonna take a while to finish downloading. Meanwhile, let's download 7-zip. So we are going to use 7-zip to extract Kali VM files, and let's search 7-zip, download. The first one, 64-bit Windows x64. I think most of you will be having the 64-bit version, so just go with this. You can simply press Windows R and type DXDIAG and enter to check if what version of operating system you are using. So here it says minus 64-bit. Let's install 7-zip. It's finished. So we have the Kali Linux VM file downloaded as well. You can simply click this to go to the file location, and since we have a 7-zip installed, we can open .7z file. Double click. Now you can decide where you want to extract this file, whether to the download location or any other location. I am going to choose D drive because my C drive is already spammed pretty much. I'm going to create a new folder here. No, I'm just going to extract it directly. Done with extracting to this folder. So now open VMware. Let's close this. We have our VMware here. Click on file, then open. I'll just press Ctrl O. And now we have to navigate it to the location where we just extracted the Kali Linux file. This .vmx file inside this folder. Just open this. Alright, now we need to make some changes in its settings. So this is the recommended configuration to put Kali in virtual machine. Let's just say it is 2-core processor, 20 GB to 50 GB hard disk, 4 GB RAM. Just say half value of your physical RAM memory. For example, if you have 8 GB RAM or something, just assign 4 GB to Kali Linux. That's it, I guess. So here we're going to follow the same rule. I'm going to put 4 processor, no problem. And 4 GB. So hard disk 8 GB, let it be. CD first. That's it, you know. Click OK so it gets saved. Now click this to turn on the Kali virtual machine. Just click I copied it. You know, that's it. No installation and stuff. It's a ready to go method. Now it has to take us to login screen. It's not that same .iso installation where you mount it, then install it on virtual machine like how install your main operating system. It's just a ready to go file. So here it is, it has taken us to the login screen. So the default username is Kali and the default password is Kali. Now we have the Kali Linux ready to use. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe and I'll see you with another content. Be safe. Bye.